Hey, it's Diego with Aim Shoot Develop. Usually I'm talking about analog film cameras such as the Nimslo 3D here or the Nishika N8000, but today I'm going to be talking about an application called Film3D. Film3D basically mimics the look of these cameras. It's a free app on iOS where you don't need Photoshop. Like with these cameras, you don't need to develop anything like film. You don't need pretty much anything. You can do everything on the phone. It's an application that I use when I'm in a pinch. I'm just having fun, trying to be silly. So it's something I use. Basically what a WiggleGram is. I'd seen it a lot on the Mura Masa music video, the broccoli video with Lil Yachty and Dram. They use it a lot, and it's really spiked the popularity of these film cameras. But you can still get that same effect without having to pay to get this developed. Buying the camera itself, maintenance and things. So it's pretty cool. Just wanted to talk about the app. I'm not sponsored by any means by the application, but I had exchanged some words with the page on Instagram, and we talk film cameras. We really still have deep connections with those film cameras, so that's why they made the app. I think that's really cool. I have some WiggleGrams that I'll be posting taken with the film cameras, and then I'll show you some examples using the application. And I want to say, apples to apples, it's just about the same thing. You don't get, it does have effects that you can pay to unlock. It is a free application, but you can get those same effects of film and grain and stuff. I personally like tangible, but for other people that don't have the time to get the film developed or don't want to spend the money on getting the cameras itself, this is a great alternative. I think it's really cool. Although I'm much more a tangible person, I really admire when people do things for the community like this. So it's really cool. Make sure to check it out. I'm going to post a video, a quick tutorial talking about it, and then I'll put a link down in the description where you can get the app and a little bit about the app itself. So cool. Okay, there. First things first, go ahead and open up the application. The first thing you're going to see is the image there of what you want to take a picture of. Go ahead and push the shutter down and then move it slightly horizontal, like I explained with the WiggleGrams, how it's different angles. The different angles are going to get you the different looks. It basically, you pick a focus point and it moves around that focus point. So I think that's pretty cool. It does give you options for film grain. So there's an option there that you can purchase. You can unlock everything for $12.99. You can disable the watermark for $1.29 or $1.99, sorry. But more than anything, you can still, once you hit save, you can still export it out. It'll still give you the option. The watermark will be on there, but I think it's not that big of a deal. It's a way for the company to let you try it before to see if you really like it, if you're going to be using it. $2 in the grand scheme of things for an application isn't that big of a deal in comparison to, film development, the cameras. So I think it's a really, you're getting the better end on the deal on that one. But you have the chance to export it as MP4, as a GIF. Instagram takes MP4 videos. Twitter can use GIFs, which is a little bit more higher quality. Just getting into the app a little bit more, here's some of the gallery of images that I've taken beforehand. You can save them on the gallery, but if you want to see them on your camera roll, you have to save them on the bottom there once you open it to the camera roll. Just looking at some of the new features. But yeah, that's pretty much it there. This app's really cool, just something to talk about. Make sure to check the bio. I do have it in the description. So thanks so much for watching, and appreciate it. Take care. Bye.